Hello, I'm Jane. Let's do Walk on Mars together. First of all, let's learn the rocket glissando. Take your violin, put it really securely on your shoulder, hold on to it and practice moving up and down your A string with your hand. Move your elbow and be really fierce because the rocket is firing up. And then do the same thing with your bow hand, really fierce, moving your elbows. Put them together on your A string and slide up and down and make a fierce rocket glissando. Have fun practicing that. So we rocket glissando until we hear, then we count 8 beats together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're on our way to Mars. I've put some words to the music to help us learn the rhythm. So let's try it together. The words are, let's go in the rocket zoom to Mars. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go in the rocket zoom to Mars. Now, put your violin down, take your arms and tap your side and try and say, beat the rhythm and say the words with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go in the rocket zoom to Mars. Now, try and take your violin again, back on your shoulder, and move your bow to that rhythm. Pick a string. I'm going to do it on the A string. Together, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go in the rocket zoom to Mars. This time, let's try and do the notes that are in the music. So we're going to go A, D, 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 D. One finger on A, 1, 1, A. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. We need our first finger. So the first time we need one finger on A. The second time we need one finger on D. So we're making a B and an E. Not this E, but one finger on D, E. Just practice moving your finger, get your thumb really comfortable. Practice going from one finger on A to one finger on D. And your finger is just opposite your thumb. Practice it like that. And then put it back on your shoulder and practice it like that. One finger on A, one finger on D. One on A, one on D. B, E. B, E. So the first time in our journey, one finger on A. The second time, one finger on D. Back to one finger on A. So we're going to have, let's go in our rocket zoom to Mars with one finger on A. Let's go in the rocket zoom to Mars, one finger on D. I'm going to break that down a tiny bit. So phrase by phrase, let's do it together. So first of all, one finger on A. Have that finger ready to go down on the A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. One finger on D. Back to one finger on A. Let's try and do it together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. this is one of my favourite bits. We're in the rocket and it's really turbulent. So we're going to practice doing some turbulence. We're going to move our elbows to get onto different strings. String crossing is one of the hardest things on the violin. We're going to move our elbows to go from the A string to the D string. So get a really nice bow hold. Make sure your elbow can move. Try and do it without making any sound at all. Do that with me now. Try and move from A to D. You could even do from G to E if you like, but move from your strings. Try and not make any sound. Now, try and go. And you'll notice you're drawing circles with your hands and your elbows. Now try and do what's on the music, which is A, D, A, D. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I catch you out then? I had the one finger ready to put down to go 1, 1, D. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's practice the rocket journey to Mars together, those two lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turbulence. We've repeated that phrase. We play it twice because it's a long way to Mars. We've got to Mars and we can get out of the rocket and we can have a walk around, we can explore. We need this rhythm, walking around Mars. Do that with me. Tap as well with your bowing arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walking around Mars. So we're going to do that. We're going to practice it without our fingers. So hold on to your violin. Just practice it on an A string with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walking around Mars. Rest. Walking around Mars. Rest. Walking around Mars. Rest. Let's practice our fingers. Put your fingers up by your ears and let's practice doing their numbers. So tap them against your thumbs like this and against your ears so that you can hear. And do this with me. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, A. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, A. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3. Now I'm going to do it again and I'm going to do it even better because the most important thing often in music is the rests. So we're going to add the rests this time together. Let's count in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, A. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, A. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3. Time to put the fingers and the rhythms together. So one finger on A, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. Time for one of my other favourite bits, the floating glissando. So similar to the fierce rocket glissando at the beginning, we're going to move our arms up and down, but this time much more floaty, much more slowly, much more without gravity. Have a go with me. that now as much as you want, but when you're playing it with the music, you'll hear time to stop your floating glissando and time to make a dash for your rocket. You don't want to miss the rocket back to Earth. Get in that rocket, no time to count, you're straight into and you play that journey back to Earth again before I play. So maybe you'd like to do that with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.